Yeah, hi friends. This is the Govind Soni. So today we will discuss about the selection of module tilt angle, because as we know that the selection of tilt angle is highly impact on our generation data. So how we do selection so that we can achieve good generation data? The logic behind that, let's suppose I am going to install a solar power plant at Delhi location. So first we know the latitude and longitude of the city. I had considered that the latitude of the Delhi location is 28.70 degree. So my design tilt angle is 28 degree, or I can also decide at 29 degree. This is the fixed tilt angle over the year, and we will get average generation data over the year. So if we want to utilize maximum sun radiation data, then we can design it for seasonal tilt also. So we can vary the tilt angle season wise and convert maximum sun radiation data into the electricity. So how we can design seasonal tilt angle? Now you can see here the design selection of seasonal tilt. This is the thumb rule. If you want to design seasonal tilt angle for the winter location, then we can add 15 degree in latitude. The angle will come around 43 degree. And if you want to design the tilt angle for summer, then we can minus 15 degree from the latitude and we will get 13 degree for summer. And for the rainy season, the tilt angle is always same as latitude. So now you can see here. Now you can see here these two cases is feasible and economical, because in the both cases the structure cost is feasible and economical. We can easily design, but in that case 43 degree, the cost of structure is drastically high, because in both the cases you can see here there is a provision to release the air. You can see here the distance of the module from the ground is 1.3 meter, and now you can see here the distance of the module from the ground is 825 mm. But in that case we have seen here the distance between the module and ground is 400 mm. So force of air force of air is very critical at the back side of the module, and there is a space to release the air. So in 43 degree tilt, we can say that the module is 50% vertical, and force of wind is directly create on the module backside, and there is very less provision to release the air. So now you can see here two force is working. First is wind force and another one is module self weight. So total uplift force on this section is module self weight plus wind force. So in that case a very high wind pressure is create, and the module is try to lift also. Structure is also try to lift, because the module is tight with the structure, and when the wind pressure is high, both module and structures try to lift from their place. So we try to overcome this uplift force, so we design very high dead weight. And so if we design very high dead weight, in that case the cost of civil and cost of structure both increase very drastically. In that case, if we design the structure, the cost come economical, but in that case if we design the structure, the cost will come very uneconomical. So also one thing is always remember and keep in your mind, the structure is always designed by taking the maximum tilt angle. Let's suppose if we design the solar power plant at seasonal tilt and we have designed the 3 tilt angle, we always design the structure at high tilt angle, because the wind pressure is maximum at high tilt angle. If we put the parameter of design 30 lower tilt angle, and if we consider the parameter of lower tilt angle and consider this parameter to design 43 degree tilt angle structure, the structure uh, will be damaged, definitely damaged. So always keep in mind. Thank you. So this is the one method. where we get the good generation data. Another one is we can also get the good generation data by varying the pitch. Actually, what is the pitch? The pitch is distance between the lower edge of first row module to the lower edge of second row module. So this is the pitch. So now you can see here the various pitch, and we get the generation data by varying the pitch at 4.5 meter. Now you can see here the PR ratio is 76.59%. At 4.8 meter you can see here the PR is 76.7%, and at 5 meter is 76.96, and at 5.25 meter the PR is 77.05%. And respectively you can see here when we vary the pitch, the generation is also increase. At 4.5 meter the generation is 32330. At 4.8 the generation yield is 32494, and at 5 meter the pitch the generation is 32668, and at 5.25 meter the generation is 32776. So now you can see here when we increase the pitch, the generation respectively generation also increase. And now you can see here the ohmic losses, variation in the ohmic losses, which is negligible. Now you can see here at 4.5 the losses is less than 1.5, and now you can see here at 4.8, now you can see here losses is 4.1.47, and at 5 meter which is 1.49, and at 5.25 meter losses is 1.5%. So variation in losses is very negligible, so we can consider it. Thank you.